I'm heading out on an elk hunt. It's pretty cold out today. It's probably going to hit the mid-30s. And I'm going to try out this alpaca felt inner sole. I'm going to wear my Danner Cougars. They are uninsulated boots, but they're very good for walking. And that's what I'm going to need today. Well, the sun has finally come out. The day started at about 20 degrees. And I have been hanging out here in the Oregon high desert much of the day trying to locate an elk. One of the challenges of hunting in the high desert is how quickly the temperature changes. This morning it was cold. The high today is going to be about 35, and that's what it is right now. My hunting conditions today have ranged from standing in one spot for a long time to walking. For each of these, I have different things needed in my boots. On one hand, you need a boot that's going to keep your feet warm while you're standing in one spot for a long time. In the mornings, that's typically what you end up doing. Mid-morning, you start walking. You will work up some body heat, and those boots that were so warm in the morning are going to be really warm in the afternoon. An alpaca inner sole is in this boot, and this other boot is going with nothing in it. I'm checking to see which foot stays the warmest. Because I'm walking in snow and the ground is pretty cold, so far my right foot is feeling the warmest with the alpaca inner sole inside. What's kind of unusual is that the bottom of my foot is really warm, but the top of my foot, where the uninsulation is getting cold. So as I stand here waiting, I'm finding that my right foot is staying significantly warmer than my left foot. Carrying some quality inner soles could make the difference between cold feet and feet that are very comfortable. It could also mean you could wear your lighter hiking boots that may be a lot more comfortable later in the season. Well, it's getting darker out here, and it won't be long before it's sunset. Maybe an hour or two. I think what I'm going to do is find a nice place to sit where I can keep an eye on some game trails I found. But the other thing I'm going to do is put that felt insole into my left boot, so I'll have a pair of them. I like how they've worked, and I intend to use them a lot more. This is survivalcommonsense.com. I appreciate you coming with me today on my hike out in the Badlands. Apparently I'm not hunting yet. Thanks for watching. Stay safe.